Make a great choice today with the 2012 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, traction control, audio headphone jacks, rear, audio rear, volume control, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.